There we go. What?
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 726, effective until 5 p.m. This watch
there we
includes
go.
the following counties in North Carolina: Blaine, Columbus, Cumberland, Harnett, Polk, Moore, Robeson, and Scotland, and the following counties in South Carolina: Dillon and Marlborough. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and torrential winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and
Oh, they went off for a doubleheader in the WXL50 range.
severe weather information.
We love that for you.
Observations in Lumberton. It was partly sunny.
Yo, I don't even know what all
The
radios.
temperature was 65 degrees. The dew point was 59, giving a relative humidity of 81%. The wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 30.06.
Well, let's see what that was. Raleigh. Oh, SVA. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, southwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Montgomery County in central North Carolina, eastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, northwestern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, southwestern Lee County in central North Carolina, Polk County in central North Carolina until 11:45 a.m. At 10:57 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Biscoe to near Hoffman to 7 miles southeast of Hamlet, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Southern Pines, Rockingham, Rayford, Carthage, Fort Liberty, Pinehurst, Hamlet, Aberdeen, and Maxton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
Oh, we're
building.
gonna have a doubleheader possibly. Maxon is Robico.
And now
Never mind.
The forecast for the local area. Issued at 9:48 a.m.
Wilmington
Severe
is sucking.
thunderstorm watch 726 in effect until 5 p.m. this afternoon. Rest of today, mostly
Bro.
a chance of showers late this morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 70s. Temperature falling into the mid-60s this afternoon. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s.
Alright.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Becoming west 5 to 10 miles.
WSVO.